Hi there, my name is Tyler Royke. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with my 2010 Porsche Cayenne GTS, and it has an incredible factory Porsche Sport Exhaust. I really want your input on this. Is it the best sounding SUV of all time? Because I'm going to share the note with you in this video so that you can hear what it sounds like, and I'll let you decide by letting me know in the comments. Without any more talking, let's dive into the video. So there you have it. That's the factory exhaust note on the 2010 Porsche Cayenne GTS, thanks to the Porsche Sport Exhaust. But what do you think? Is it the best sounding SUV of all time? Let me know in the comments what you thought. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to share my cars and my car journey with you. And until next time, I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you.